Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to return items on Shein. Firstly, log in with your Shein account using your email, phone number, Google or Facebook, and then go to My Orders that contains the item you want to return. Now select the item and tap on Return Item. Choose the products you want to send back and then choose a return reason. Some reasons may require photos. If Shein doesn't ask for photos, you don't need to upload any. Now a return form will appear showing the items you selected. Choose your refund method as in Shein wallet or bank card. Then choose your return method in post office or UPS store. Drop off the parcel using the method you selected and you can see the return status in your Shein account. And Shein will email you once the refund is processed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.